My name is Nikita. My register number 72, class become 6M. Subject name income tax. My seminar topic is capital gains. Capital gains mean a profit or gain arising from the transfer of a capital assets. The basis of charge is the gain arising on the transfer of capital assets owned by the assessee during the previous year. Meaning of transfer: sale, exchange or relinquishment of capital assets, or extinguishment of any rights in capital assets, or compulsory acquisition of a capital asset under any law, or conveyance or treatment of a capital asset into a stock in trade. Capital assets. Capital assets means property of any kind held by an assessee, whether or not connected with his business and profession. Example: it includes all kinds of properties, movable or immovable, tangible or intangible, financial or non-financial, fixed or floating. Types of capital assets. First one, on the basis of bonds. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ನಾನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್. First one, full value of consideration. It means in case of land and buildings, value adopted by the stamp duty authority or sale consideration, whichever is higher, shall be taken as full value of consideration. Second one, expenses on transfer incurred by assessee. It means fully deduction from gross consideration. It includes brokerage, registration fees, stamp duty, legal charges, commission, etc. Third one, cost inflation index. It means it is an index fixed by the central government on the basis of consumer price index for financial year by notification in the official budget. Fourth one, fair market value. The term fair market value in relation to a capital assets means the price that the capital assets would ordinarily fetch on the sale in the open market on the relevant date, and in the case the price of such assets are not ascertainable, such prices as may be determined in accordance with the rules made under the act. Problem. Question. Srinivas of Mudaragi gives you the following: sales consideration of jewelry 27 crore, year of acquisition 2001 and 2002, cost of acquisition 4 crore, date of transfer 11/7/2023, selling expenses 1 crore, new residential house purchases on 15/4/2024, rupees 15 crore. The CII for 2001-2 equal to 100 and for 2023-24 in 348. Compute taxable capital gain for the assessment year 2024-25. Solution. First heading, computation of capital gain. Next, particular column and two amount column in crore. First entry in full value of consideration, bracket sale proceeds 27. Next, less selling expenses 1, second column 26. Next, less indexed cost of acquisition 4 crore into 348 by 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಸಸ್ ITC ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಲೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 54F. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಹೌಸ್ ಇಂಟು LTCG including CGS net sales. Deposits consideration equal to 1 crore into 12 or 26 crore in 46,462. Last taxable LTCG 74,338. Thank you.